Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need a US payment option and a VPN ready. Start now. Open Google Play, go to Account Preferences to view current country. Once done, connect the VPN to a US server and keep it active. This makes Play detect a US IP. Make sure your device's Google account hasn't recently changed country. Android restricts switches to about once per year. If eligible, proceed to the next step to change region and add payment. With VPN active to a US city, return to Play Store and open Account Country and Profiles. You should see a US option. Tap to create a US profile, then follow the prompts to accept terms and add a US payment method. Use a US credit, debit, or redeem a Google Play gift card balance. This confirms residency. Once the US profile exists, the store will reload in US mode. Make sure to clear cache if changes don't appear immediately. After adding a US payment method and profile, clear Google Play cache and data, then force close the app. Once done, sign out of your Google account on the device, reboot, and sign back in while the VPN is still connected to the United States. Make sure region-specific apps now appear. If things go wrong, try a different reputable US VPN server or use another payment method, sometimes switching servers, or using a small $5.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.